And hello guys, welcome to another episode of Live Game Coding. Hopefully we are all live and ready to go, because that would be great if we are. Today's stream is, of course, live coding. We're going to go back into developing Dirk Headstrong and the Martian Madness. Now I've just got to find where my 3D construction kit thing is. Oh, lovely, we've got the blue beach ball of death, which of course means that everything is slowing down, so I apologise if the stream goes a little bit flaky. I am doing my best to make sure that it doesn't, but you know what's going to happen. Hi Patrick, how are you doing? Everything is going wrong, of course. I'm running a little bit late today, so if everything seems a little bit haphazard, that is why. So let's get this editor running. Everything keeps crackling. I really don't like the way that Java CPC does that. I love Java CPC as a system, but my goodness, it's terrible for crackling. Let's just turn the volume down a little bit, see if that'll help. I don't know what the problem is with the Mac. Hi Chief89, how are you doing? It's just one of those things with Java CPC. Great system, but my goodness, it messes up sometimes with the sound. It just goes crackle, crackle, crackle. So we're opening up Dirk Headstrong. Let's see if we can get into this. Load disk file number 1. Here we are. Right, today what I really want to do with this is test the health system. We don't have a health system right now. It doesn't seem to do anything. So I've just got to remember what the keys are again. So it's very slow. I'm mostly going to be using this layout that we've got on the screen with the setup we've got. I'll make it a sci-fi version. So in fact, just quickly take a screenshot. So I'll work on that at some point. Apologies if I seem a little bit distracted and haphazard. That is entirely because I am not really all that well. I'm doing my best under poor circumstances, but whatever illness I've got, it comes up and down, and it's just so bad at making me feel better. So it doesn't follow a natural progression for an illness. I get better and then I get worse. So what I need to do is bring up the 3D construction kit manual. You're going to see my desktop for a moment. I'm trying to find the 3D construction kit manual. There we go. So while that's loading up, you might hear stuff in the background. Jen is in her loft watching videos on Netflix. So I'm trying my best here. Oh. Right, got the 3D construction kit manual. What I need to do is work out how to display the health. I know it's possible to do. Patrick says, is that a photo of your real CPC monitor? It is. Both the big one and the little one are the same photograph. So we're looking at how to use variables, page 42. That'll be near the end, won't it? Okay. To set a variable to hold a specified number, we could use the following general condition commands. Okay, we had a variable set, didn't we? Oh dear. Variable 1 is health, and variable 2 is score, variable 3 is fuel. So, Patrick, I don't care if it needs dusting or not, I really don't. Okay, let's have a look at this. Use the variables and everything, blah, 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 blah. How do I print the variables to the screen? That's what I want to do. I want to put that variable on the screen, so... sub v sets variable redraw. Okay. Hi Water Road, how you doing? That just prints the message. So that's what right now I'm just really trying to work out how to display that variable on screen. And that's all I want to do. Because if we don't do this, then how do we deal with the health situation? Add variable and... Oh my goodness, my head is killing me. Whatever the hell I've got, it keeps coming in waves and it's really hurting at the moment. Okay, what we got here? Color. Change the 3D view window color. No. I don't know how did they get the health bar on screen for... There's gotta be a way. Guys, I'm actually stumped. I was trying to find this out before I came on. Oh, my head is killing me. I was trying to work this out before I came on stream, and this is the hard part. This is the bit I've been worried about with the game. If we can't show how much health the player has, how do we do it? And if we can't show how much fuel the player has, then what do we do? There's got to be a way. Makes an object visible, timer function, then text color. Let's just set the text. Print only does messages, but I want to print a variable. It's got to be a way because we can put scores on screen and all sorts. Right, let's go back to the contents. This is the difficult episode, basically. This is the one where we struggle. And unfortunately, there's not much I can do about that because the fact is, we need to know how to do this. And if we can't do this, there's no point in going any further. Should have done this at the start. I didn't. Got the appendix. Let's have a look at the appendix. You've been in isolation for 5 days. Well, I've been... We've been in isolation since Monday, but basically when the PM declared lockdown. And it's so annoying. Right, where's the appendix? There isn't an appendix. Unless that's the appendix. Oh, that is the appendix. I don't need to know that. I need to know about the variables, printing them on the screen. There's got to be a way. We can set variables, we can't add to them. What the... What? Go to another area. That's not what we want. It's not helping us, is it? It really isn't helping us at all. That's all about more about variables. That's how do you... Don't get it. Got an ammo counter. We don't need that. Yeah, Patrick, thank you. Patrick's been looking in the 3D kit. If we can't do this, what's the point of having it? There's got to be a way to do it. Oh my goodness. Right, here we go. Instruments. To edit the various parameters associated with instruments, see section Introduction to Freescape for further information on instructions. List of 8 available instruments will be displayed. Select an instrument from the item selector. Right, we can have a horizontal bar. Excellent. Yes, Stephen, thank you so much, instruments. Yeah. That's brilliant. Thank you so much. We need a bar instrument. Right. Are only visible when you test? Yes, that's excellent. Right, we're going to go for instruments. That's what we need. First instrument. What have we got here? Type is no, horizontal bar. 921. Length, we want 255. Length 31. Fine, that's fine. Variable 1, color. Variable 1 is health. Yes, color. That's that. Okay. Right. Have we just displayed that? General. Hi, Classics Erase. How you doing? Hi, right. So we've now got a bar on the screen. Excellent. We're doing something now. We're getting there. So we need to get near the top for, yeah. We're going to put it where it says energy. General instruments. So Y position, that should be, let's put it as 4. And X position as 3. Test that. Why am I going to file? It's always in general. General has the test. Right, now we're getting somewhere. That's about the right space for energy, but not quite. General instruments. 1. Let's put that as 5 and Y position as 3. That's still not quite right, but we're getting it. It's haphazard, but this works. Just no, not 2, not 2, not 2, not 2. Actually, we might as well set 2 as well. We need a fuel, so variable 3 would be that one. Horizontal bar. Oh, right. Classics, it's set as that for stupid reasons. Basically, YouTube hasn't updated. I'll sort that out later. X position 4, Y position of 1. Okay, and general instruments. What? No, not 2. I hate it when it jumps all over the place. Y position of 4. X position 4 equals Y position 2. It's so quick to jump around. General test. The energy bar is in the correct place. We now have it. So we have our fuel bar set up kind of, and our energy bar set up. I still feel like death warmed up, I'll tell you that. Right. Now we're getting somewhere. So let's move forward. And see if I remember to actually add the attributes for changing the health or not. Is that guy going to fire at us? Right, he's now recognized that we're here. And he... No, he doesn't. He doesn't shoot us. And we can't shoot him. Okay, well, Patrick, I get what you're saying. Why not lay down and see what happens? But what I really want to do today is get some of this stuff done. want to edit the conditions. So is it the second one? If shot, then destroyed. No, it isn't. I want to just get a few things done and see how we get on. Conditions, local, edit. Third one is that if sensed. And okay, end. So it's not that. Local, is it 4? 4 doesn't have anything in it. Oh, for goodness sake, I don't want to create one. Condition, local, edits, 5. If hit, then... So which one's the one that... It's not actually doing anything, is it? I keep creating extra ones and I don't want to do that. Condition, local, delete, 6.
Hello, how's it going?
Hi Jen, are you coming in to join us for a bit?
I thought I'd come in and say hello. It's easier than typing.
Alright.
So it's looking really good. Gosh,
Yeah.
I like your perfume. You smell really nice today.
Thank you. That's just the doors. Okay, right, so our condition is the one we found earlier on.
Guys, is this for the CPC?
Yes.
It looks surprisingly good for that clunky old computer.
No, this is good. Right.
Do you want anything to eat?
Not right now. Right, what we need is to knock down... What?
I'm just waving goodbye to everybody.
Okay. Right, we need to get the...
Right, see you in a bit. You alright?
No, I'm not feeling good at all.
Is there anything I can get you to help?
No, I'm going to have to call this quits after I've worked this out.
Do you want a paracetamol?
It won't help.
Okay.
Right, what we need is... We haven't... The reason that the health isn't changing is that we haven't changed our thingamajig. The variable. We've got no part of the variable when it's doing the check to see if it's been sensed to reduce the health. So I need to find... what are we looking at? Yeah. Yes, there we are. Sub V. Set of... Thus, adding 25 to the variable. In a similar way, value can be deducted from a variable using the following example. From variable number 20. Yes, sub V. That's what we need to add in. So, if we add a line that says... Are we in here? Sub V. And it's... let's take 20... No, let's take 10, just to make this work, off variable number 1. Okay? And see if that works. General test. Okay, that's not what I was expecting it to do. That's gone down far too fast. So, nope, wrong one. Condition, local, edit, the third condition. I don't want to be taking that much off. So, let's take this down to, no, 3. Let's take 3 off. And see if that works out better. General test. It continuously does it. Oh, that's not what we want to do. That's not what we want to do. How can we change this? I know how to do it every now and then when it actually fires. Otherwise, we're going to lose energy all the time that we're in here, aren't we? Unless we kill it. Unless we kill that bond active. Right, move this to there. And that's it. That's now our energy. Is that all we've got? Interesting. Interesting. let's set, just to find out what it is, the third instrument, find the fourth instrument, a number. X position should be 23, and Y position should be 23 as well. And that variable should be 1, because I want to see what this thing is, and color can be 3. Okay. General test. What have we got? Where's our number? Where is our number? It doesn't show. Where? Fine. Yeah, I thought the energy would go down the other way as well, Patrick. That is weird, isn't it? So let's check the instruments. No, don't set that. I want to check instrument 4. I keep pressing the wrong one. General instruments 4. Y position 1. Test. Nope, not file. General test. I think we can only do numbers once, so let's just instruments 4 blank. Leave it there. Let's set as a instrument. Let's set instrument 1 to a number instead, and see what happens. Because I want to see what that actually was that it was doing. Right. Okay, so it's set at 0 because we haven't set anything. That's why. That's why it's doing that. Variables. We can't set them, can we? General condition. Edit the first one. What's the general condition? Right, we need to... Can we set flags? We want to set the variable 1. What's the if check on? What's the if check on variables? Let's have a quick check. Quick check. I really want to do one quick thing. Let's have a look. Right. Right, let's do one quick thing. Let's get rid of all of that. We're going to do one thing and reset the entire thing. So, right, we're looking that way when we start. So, I'm going to do one quick thing to just do a general thing. This is going to be a quick and nasty thing to just get this to work. Right, quick cube. Right, leave it there. Actually, no, put it in the corner. Edit the cube 24. Move it right into the corner so that it can't possibly be seen. And then we're going to start a general condition of general condition 1. Edit first condition. If viz 24 1, then invis 24 1. Invis 24 1. And set variable, because we can do that, can't we? We can set a variable, and this is just the check right at the start of the game to make it invisible. Where is it? 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 Set variable, yeah. 31. No, 255 of 1. And if. edit the number 24 again, and just to make sure that it doesn't interfere with anything, move it so that it's on the ceiling instead of somewhere that we can walk into, just in case being invisible means we can still bump into it. Okay. So, reset every single thing and test that. There we are. Our energy is now 255. Which is what we want it to be. And also, if we turn around, we won't see that cube, because that cube was just the thing to check at the start of the game. Quick and nasty thing, but it's like building our own flag system, basically. And it's something, funny enough, that I learnt from multiplayer online games, where they do the similar thing. With World of Warcraft uses lots of invisible rabbits to do stuff like that. Wow, our health is going down quick. We definitely need to do something about that. Our health is going down far, far too quickly, but we have a system now that works. So let's change our instruments again. Not instrument 2. I don't want to change instrument 2. I want to change instrument 1. Why are you so quick to... Oh my goodness, I'm running out of breath now. Horizontal bar, that's what we want. And length should be 31, because that's as far as it can go, isn't it? 36, okay. General test. Okay, that's not what I expected. I think, Patrick, the instruments were going down the other way, but because we'd set it wrong, it didn't do that. Exposition, we want 1. Put the exposition at 1, see what happens. Is that really it? Is that really all we can have? That seems wrong. Color 1. Let's see what's going on with this. Alright, so why has it got black marks on the end? I don't get what's going on with this. Instruments. 1. Then 30. Just set it like that. Does that fit now? Right, that fits. That works. So, if we move forward, will that go down steadily while we fight this Bondak? Yeah, it's going down steadily while we fight the Bondak. Far too quickly, though. Right, so at least we've got that. And we'll put a general condition in so that... Oh, we'll do the general condition for working out the thing tomorrow. Look, guys, we'll continue this tomorrow because I am starting to run out of energy very quickly. I'm sorry. So let's just reset everything and save. We need to make sure that it saves. The disk 1. Right, we've got something going now. We've got something good going on. We can do this. Drive, DF0, save. So, we're getting there. I don't know what on earth this, whatever this illness is, it's really, really knocking me sideways. So, I'll add to Dropbox, just so you can get a copy of this, like usual. Where is it? There it is. Right, I had to find it there. My goodness, I am so not with it. My head is like, it feels like my head's full of cotton wool. Where are we? Wait, we need to do compressed Dirk Headstrong. We've got the important thing though. We've got the health system kind of working. We know what we're doing now, which is really useful. Has that compiled? Yes, it has. So we'll copy that into here to update and share. Wow, this takes a while. Create link. Copy link. Wow, that took a while. So at least we've got the energy system going the right way, and we have a health system. There is a copy of this, so you can play around to your heart's content. Guys, thank you so much for coming along. I'm sorry that this couldn't be longer, but whatever illness, I keep thinking I'm better so I can come back and do the streams, but I'm just worn out, guys. I'm sorry. I'll see you later. See you tomorrow. We'll continue this. I really want to finish this, so if we can get like Dirk Headstrong finished by Friday, that would be brilliant, wouldn't it? So anyway, thank you so much for coming along. I hope you've enjoyed 37 minutes. Sorry, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.